Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English with Smart Masters. In this video I am going to share you a lot of things. Behind what you can see, it's an implant. We use the implant in brushing our teeth. If there is any problem in our teeth, we use this implant. And many beginners will not say we don't use an implant. So you can Google. You can Google. We use this plant in brushing our teeth. We have broken 2-3 sticks to brush our teeth. And now you also, if you are from village, you do neem brush. It will be some bitter, but you do. In 2-3-4 days, you will see your teeth are well. So let's get to our topic. So first you will explain everything from where you are standing. Behind, in starting, I explained about myself and I explained behind what is this and why we use this. And you can also do like this. If you are from village, you can describe everything from where you are standing. And you describe about everything. If you are in kitchen, you describe about kitchen things. If you are studying, you describe about studying things. If you are in anywhere, you describe about that thing. So in this way you can improve your things. Where are you standing? You explain everything. Right now in starting I explained you everything. Like that you can improve your English. And second point is that if you study more and more English books, don't study Hindi books. We don't study Hindi books because we are able to speak English there. Many beginners wait for the only day. You don't wait for only day. You practice. If we are making mistake, let them make. They will improve themselves. And you read Hindi books. Don't read Hindi books. You read English books. And you are reading Hindi newspapers and magazine. You read English. And there are many teachers on social media. You can speak English with the apps from which you can improve your English. So friends, I hope my video was helpful for you. Bye.